Good boy.
Boy! Oh, how clever are you?
Okay, cast us off, dear.
Look at you now.
Yeah. What do you think you are? King of the boat or something?
Yeah.
You're looking a bit like Jackson there, boy.
Hey.
Okay, Exchange Island. Yes, we're coming. I need to herd us.
Yes.
Welcome to Exchange Club Island Park.
We explored this beautiful place, and in delving into its history to see what it was all about, we actually found out that it was an accidental island. It was man-made. What happened was that the Army Corps of Engineers, who were in charge of keeping the ICW dredged, needed somewhere to put their spoils, so they dumped it there and they formed an island. Back in 2014, the city of Jacksonville decided to restore Exchange Club Island as an actively maintained park. They built barbecues and the jetty and stuff, so it really is a lovely spot to come and visit, only accessible by boat. It's a wonderful place and it was a wonderful anchorage.
Maxwell House Coffee, where they roast it, bake it, and goodness knows what else, pack it, ship it. But that's what the smell is that we could, the aroma I should say, that we can smell all the time when the wind's blowing the right direction. Never suspected it was coffee. Lou did. Just continuing on my walk around Jacksonville, and I see, isn't that an unusual building? Like, really different. Turns out it's the City of Jacksonville pre-trial detention facility. City of Jacksonville pre-trial detention facility. How about that? That's why it's such an odd building. Here's another unusual building. Unusual, isn't it? Police department. Interesting. The light is inside the bridge. I don't know how much light it would put out on the road. This is a brewery here, by the way. See if I can sneak a look in the vat room. Here we go. Brewery. There you go, the vat room.
This is the best setup for us cruising yachties. Over here, this is a dinghy dock. So, as you can see, lots of dinghies. What do you expect in a dinghy dock? There's my little old man walking down there, on there, and there he's going over to the office here. It's where you pay your $12 US to put your dinghy here. But for that, you get the dock for the day, showers, laundry, obviously toilet, and I think there's a relaxation room as well. Carts, you know, more do you want? Up in the other side of that bridge is where we are, on an anchor. But there's a mooring field before that, and then we're after that. So, it's a pretty good setup.
No.
We didn't film it, but we went out with a friend of ours, American friend, Al, and he took us out to a Spanish restaurant, Yum Yum. Don't want dinner tonight. He took us shopping, so we got some pillows for our guests that are coming, and a couple of other things. Other than that, and Rick got some rust converter. Other than that, we're all good and heading home. Beautiful day. Thank you, St. Augustine. We are just about to order. What are we going to order, Rick? An Aussie pie.
Yeah, I'm going to have a meat pie.
Meat pie.
A meat pie.
4 years. 4 years we've been away. We're going to get a pie. Is it 4 years?
Not for me,
Regardless.
but it is for you.
We were in the Kookaburra Coffee.
G'day. Can I have 2 meat pies, please? A hot Aussie.
We just have the breakfast pies right now. The meat pies come around like 11, like around 11:15. But we have all the breakfast pies. It's going to be all egg and cheese based. So there's bacon, sausage.
We'll come back.
No, we're Australian, so we came for a meat pie.
A meat pie.
Yeah, come around like 11:15. We should have them.
Okay, do you want hot meat now? Or
No.
She just brought in our meat pies.
Fair dinkum meat pie. Yeah. Cool bananas.
Hot.
Right? Yeah. Oop, drip.
It's the pie with superior interior.
Did you suck?
Needs tomato sauce, doesn't it?
Zoltar, that was a movie.
Yes. Oh, don't. You got naughty but nice. How do you do?
I got nasty.
Let's go and shop for Boy. You reckon Boy wanted to be carrying that? Boy's not into bling or skirts. Well, I don't know. I've actually not asked him. Gourmet treats. That's more Boy's style. He'd prefer to be carried.
Not them.
Listen. Don't go breaking my heart. I wouldn't if I tried.
I bet she stops at this dog stop.
Yep.
Photo spot. Oh, hey, in your hot blue. Ah, pets only. We're in St. Augustine, Florida. And I'm looking for the oldest house. This one's 1764. But the town was established in the 1500s or something, I think. 1565, something like that.
Have you guys ever done a self-pour system before?
No, that's why we're here.
We have? Yeah, she'll show you how it works.
And you'll walk up to whichever one you want to drink.
Doesn't matter which one. Just stick it in. And then you'll pour as much or as little as you'd like of whichever one you'd like to drink from. And then when you take it out, it'll tell you how much that pour is going to cost you.
Okay.
And you can pour as much or as little as you'd like into a cup. We recommend pouring a little bit before pouring a whole cup because we won't refund you if you don't like it.
Right, if you don't like it.
Exactly.
Okay,
Thank
got
you.
it.
For sure. We have 4 hard ciders, 2 seltzers, and 2 wines, and the rest of it's beer.
Okay, thank you.
For sure.
First one is strawberry, blackberry, the semi-sweet something, and it's something on the something farm.
Right.
So we're going to try. I know what. Let's try a bit of this one.
All right. Now you stick it in.
Like that.
Yeah. Now you grab your glass.
You got 4.4 ounces,
So
and it cost
that's
me $1.60. Cost me $1.69. Try that.
Plus tax.
No, it's including tax, I reckon.
All right. Thoughts of jag water? I don't know.
Cards. That's a yep.
IPA.
Ooh.
San Marco Sour.
Oh, this is sour.
Sour blonde ale. Okay. Guinness. My old mate Mick. Guinness. This one.
What's that one called, Rick? Sour blonde.
San Marco Sour. Yeah.
So
that's what I wanted.
Okay.
3.7 ounces, mate.
All cut
At 38 cents an ounce.
out. All cut out. Cheers.
Oh, mate.
Hey, Brittany. Rick and I have found sour patches in alcohol. You got to come. Well, hope you enjoyed all the footage that you would have just seen. Yeah, thoroughly recommend anyone that wants to come here stay a minimum of a week.
We're just on our way out now. Heading down to past Cape Canaveral to Fort Pierce. And over there, where Louis pointing right now, is a mast of a boat, and it's sticking up out of the sand. The rest of the boat's all under the sand.
What a good reminder for everyone to take care. Another reason we like this, it's got that great setup that I told you about before. With the paying for the $12, you get your shower, you get your rubbish, you get there's a Wi-Fi there. You've got the little
laundry trolleys.
Laundry at only $2 a load. Trolley, through many trolleys to be able to take stuff back to your boat, back to your tender. Yeah, loved it. Probably the biggest downfall, the supermarkets aren't super close. Yeah, that'd be probably its biggest downfall. But you can always cobble up with another cruiser and share a Uber, and yeah, half the cost then. If we're up this way again, we will be back.
Hey, let's sail away. Let's pretend we're born again. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, let's fly away. See the sunrise every day. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's a good day to begin.